This starts as sand, heated to extreme temperatures.
And ends up powering entire cities. But what happens inside these factories? Is something most people never see. This is how sunlight becomes power. When sunlight hits a solar panel, it carries energy in the form of photons. These photons knock electrons loose inside the silicon. An internal electric field forces the electrons to move in one direction. This movement creates direct current, or DC electricity. That electricity is then converted and used to power real homes. Every solar panel begins with sand. This sand is rich in silicon, the core material of solar panels. Only ultra-pure silicon can efficiently convert sunlight into electricity. The purified silicon is heated to extreme temperatures until it melts completely. This molten silicon must be carefully controlled to avoid even the smallest defects. These ingots are slowly cooled to create a stable crystal structure. Once solidified, the ingots are ready for the next critical step.
Each wafer uses ultra-pure silicon, around 180 microns thick, with 99.999% purity.
To make the wafer conductive, trace amounts of phosphorus and boron are added, a process called doping. Phosphorus creates N-type layers. Boron creates P-type layers, forming the basis of electricity generation. Each batch is carefully measured to ensure consistent performance across all wafers. With all materials ready, the ingot is now sliced into ultra-thin wafers.
Each wafer is polished to remove micro-imperfections, ensuring maximum efficiency.
Finally, each wafer is inspected to meet strict quality standards.
Each slice must be precise, only a few hundred microns thick.
The wafers are then stacked carefully for the next steps.
The silicon ingot is sliced into ultra-thin wafers using a diamond wire saw.
The silicon ingot is sliced into ultra-thin wafers using a diamond wire saw. The polished wafers are carefully arranged to form individual solar cells. Each cell is connected with metallic ribbons to allow electricity to flow efficiently. Metal ribbons are soldered between cells to ensure a continuous electrical path. The cells are laminated to protect them from moisture and mechanical damage.
An aluminum frame is added to give the panel strength and durability. Frames are added to give structure and durability to the panel.
Each solar cell is carefully positioned onto the back sheet, layer by layer. From top glass to the back sheet, every layer is designed for efficiency and protection.
Finally, every panel undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure perfect quality before shipping.
Each panel is tested for voltage, current, and efficiency before leaving the factory. Panels are exposed to simulated sunlight to ensure they convert light into electricity effectively. The direct current from the panel is converted to alternating current using an inverter. Sunlight excites electrons in the silicon, creating an electrical current. From sand to sunlight, this is the complete journey of a solar panel. Finished panels are stacked carefully on pallets, layer by layer, with protective padding. After inspection, each panel is carefully packaged to prevent damage during transport. The pallets are secured with straps and shrink wrap to ensure safe transport. This is the factory where raw sand transforms into powerful solar panels.
Here in the packing area, hundreds of panels are prepared for global distribution.
Pallets are then loaded onto trucks, ready to be shipped worldwide.
The packaged panels are then loaded onto trucks for distribution worldwide. Panels are shipped to homes, businesses, and solar farms around the globe. From assembly to shipping, every step is meticulously organized to deliver quality solar panels. The panels are connected to an inverter, converting DC electricity into usable AC power.
The solar panels are installed on rooftops, perfectly aligned to capture maximum sunlight.
The electricity powers homes, lighting up appliances and providing clean energy for daily life.
Sunlight activates the cells, generating electricity from photons striking the silicon layers.
Some of the electricity is fed into the grid, powering entire cities sustainably.
From sand to silicon, from the factory to rooftops, every step transforms sunlight into clean electricity.
Every ray of sunlight captured creates clean, renewable energy, powering daily life.
If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos.
Finally, the electricity generated powers homes, businesses, and even feeds the grid.
This is the complete journey of a solar panel. From raw sand to electricity, lighting up the world.
These panels provide energy for homes, businesses, and even feed entire cities sustainably.
The liquid silicon is poured into molds, forming large solid blocks called ingots.